How to trim a video after you have uploaded it on YouTube. So hey guys, if you're also wondering how you can trim a video after you have uploaded it onto the YouTube, so this video is for you. All you need to do is simply follow these simple steps. So the first thing you need to do is head on to your YouTube studio from your browser. So let's head on to our YouTube studio. Then you need to find that particular video in the YouTube studio that you want to trim. So for that, head on to the content, and under the content you need to find the video that you want to trim. So for example, let's say I want this particular video to be trimmed. So here you can see that I have already uploaded this video. So what you need to do is hover your cursor over to this video and click onto this pencil icon, which is the details option. Simply click here, and once you click here, you can see a number of new tabs will appear on the left hand side of the screen, and one such option is editor. So simply click on the editor option, and here you can see that it has opened the built-in YouTube editor for this purpose. And at the top you can see this option of trim and cut. So this is the option or the feature that we'll be going to use in order to trim or cut this video. So simply choose this, and now here you can see that these blue bars will represent the portion of the video that will be put, and the remaining portion of the video outside these bars will be cut off. So for example, let's say if I want to adjust this for this particular length, then only the video within these blue bars will remain intact, whereas the video outside the blue bar will be deleted. So let me just adjust it. So here you can see after adjusting, what I'm gonna do is I will be trimming the video length from 8 minutes 46 seconds to 8 minutes 30 seconds, and currently you can see as well that the video length is 8 minutes and 47 seconds. So once you have done that, what you need to do is simply click onto the save button right here. Once you will click, it will save the video, but before that it will show you that it may take a few hours for your changes to apply, and during that time the viewers will see the current version of the video. You won't be able to make other changes, and the original version of your video will be stored, so you can undo your edits if you want. So that is a very safe thing to do, especially if you have making any mistake. So just don't worry, you can undo it anytime. So once you have done this, click on the save button, and here you can see that it showed a message that the video is being processed. So after the video will be processed, our changes will be finally reflected into our original video. So I hope this video might have helped you. If it did, don't forget to drop a like, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.